when you get your radiator where you want it, and then next year I think I'm going to buy one of those Tato radiators. What I do is I put my radiator to where I can keep it under the cover right there and still get at the cap here. And then I give it some extra room here. I put some towels behind here so I can just hold it where I want it. Because when I go and do all the plumbing, it will be set. The next thing I do is we have one pipe or one hose coming from the radiator with the cold water, and the other one takes the hot water to the radiator. I use two plastic clips here to hold the pipe, I don't know why I'm calling it pipe, underneath this frame rail right here. On the frame rail are 4 bolt holes that hold the bottom floor pan here. One here, 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 and here. And I put a mirror right here to show you. Let's see if I can do this. This ordinary bolt right here is put in about the right amount for the floor thing. Now this is the underside where the bolt is right there, and you can see how far it sticks down. It's not a really good picture, but if you take your hose right here and you hold it too close up underneath this frame rail right here, what happens is this bolt is so long it will rub a hole in here. Therefore, what I found that works really good, due to the fact that the floor place has a lot of room in it, is this is the standard bolt that holds it down. What I do, this is kind of exaggerated, but I'll take a number of washers and put them on underneath the 4 bolts here. And what that does is it will hold the floor panel in place very well, but it won't have the screw sticking out like that. So I usually put on a tie right here, up here, and I'll put one right here. I might even put one right here. But what I was doing before was I was tying them up pretty tight. Now I'm kind of just getting them snug where you don't want them falling down like this. You want it up against the rail right here, so that when you put your side skirt on right here, that it will cover it, look good, and still have room to move, because when the bike is running, it's going to be vibrating a lot. Your engine vibrates and your motor mounts, and that becomes a problem. I want to show you what else I've done here. The next video is going to be on plumbing and getting it in here correctly.